few years ago, I took a cruise of the Greek islands, one of the most beautiful vacations I've ever been on, and some of the freshest vegetables I've ever had the pleasure to eat. Now, a favorite among locals and tourists alike in Greece is the Greek salad. I'm going to show you how to make a traditional one today that is really very simple and really tasty and delicious. Now, we're going to finish cutting up some English cucumber, and you're going to cut this into great big chunky quarters. Get some nice fresh cucumber, either from the farmer's market or the grocery store, and then you're ready to go with something that is really beautiful. That's one of the base ingredients that we're going to pop into a big mixing bowl. So one big English cucumber, I've got a few extras here, and we'll pop those inside. Now, we also have fresh cubed beefsteak tomato. Oh, so good. So fresh and so lovely. Then chopped green bell pepper, some beautiful Kalamata olives, some red onion, and then we're going to add in some fresh olive oil. Of course, you can't have a salad without lots of olive oil in Greece. Some red wine vinegar for tang, and then finally some kosher salt. Beautiful. Now, all of this is going to get tossed in that olive oil and red wine vinegar mixture. You want to be careful here to protect the integrity of the vegetables, particularly the tomatoes. They're a little delicate. Tough to slice, but once they're sliced, they're really juicy and tender. So be very careful with that. And then get yourself a nice big platter like I have in front of me. Once all of this has been coated with that beautiful mixture, then we're going to turn this out onto the platter. I like using a white platter because it's a beautiful contrast against all those brightly colored vegetables. And then we're going to spread it out, but I'm gonna make room because we still have to put feta cheese on. Now, most people think that they should crumble the feta cheese and scatter it over top of the salad. And of course, you can do it that way. But if you want to make a traditional Greek salad, leave the block intact and park it right in the middle of all the vegetables. So we'll take our block of feta cheese and park it right here in the middle. Now comes more olive oil. I want you to drizzle olive oil until your heart's content. It's a really good fat and one that you're going to love, and it adds great, great flavor, plus nice color to your feta cheese. But we're not done. To finally finish up a traditional Greek salad, you dust it with dried oregano, not fresh, dried oregano, and it adds a beautiful flavor and looks great on the salad as well. So we'll take this, and key here is to season up high so you get nice even distribution. Beautiful. And now you've got a salad that is as beautiful as it is delicious for everyone at your dinner table. Enjoy a traditional Greek salad.